Olive oil has been a staple in kitchens around the world for centuries. But its popularity has surged in recent years due to its numerous health benefits. This versatile oil, extracted from olives, is not just a culinary delight, but also a powerhouse of health benefits that can significantly improve your well-being. Let's dive into the medical benefits of olive oil and understand why it's often referred to as liquid gold. 1. Heart health. One of the most well-known benefits of olive oil is its positive impact on heart health. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which has been shown to reduce bad cholesterol LDL levels while maintaining good cholesterol HDL levels. This balance is crucial in preventing heart disease, the leading cause of death globally. Additionally, olive oil contains polyphenol, powerful antioxidants that protect against inflammation and oxidative stress, further safeguarding your heart. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic diseases, including arthritis, diabetes, and even certain cancers. Olive oil contains a compound called oleocanthal, which has strong anti-inflammatory properties. In fact, some studies suggest that oleocanthal works similarly to ibuprofen, a common anti-inflammatory drug, but without the side effects. By incorporating olive oil into your diet, you can help reduce inflammation throughout your body. 3. Digestive health. Olive oil is a friend to your digestive system. It aids in the absorption of nutrients, particularly fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Moreover, olive oil stimulates the production of bile, which helps break down fats in the digestive tract. It also has a protective effect on the stomach lining, reducing the risk of ulcers and other gastrointestinal issues. 4. Brain health. Your brain benefits from olive oil too. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil support brain function and may help protect against cognitive decline. Some studies suggest that regular consumption of olive oil could reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. The antioxidants in olive oil also combat oxidative stress, which is linked to aging and neurodegenerative diseases. 5. Skin health. Olive oil isn't just good for the inside, it's great for the outside too. Its high antioxidant content makes it an excellent moisturizer for the skin. Olive oil can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, thanks to its ability to hydrate and protect the skin from environmental damage. It's also been shown to have antimicrobial properties, which can be beneficial for acne-prone skin. 6. Weight management. While olive oil is high in calories, it's also highly satisfying, which can help you feel fuller for longer. This can aid in weight management by reducing the overall calorie intake. Additionally, the healthy fats in olive oil can improve insulin sensitivity, which is important for maintaining a healthy weight and preventing type 2 diabetes. Incorporating olive oil into your diet. Incorporating olive oil into your diet is easy and delicious. Use it as a salad dressing, for cooking, or as a dip for bread. Remember to choose extra virgin olive oil, as it's the least processed and retains the most nutrients. In conclusion, olive oil is more than just a cooking oil, it's a health-enhancing ingredient that can contribute to a longer, healthier life. So, the next time you reach for that bottle of olive oil, remember the incredible benefits it brings to your table and your body.